Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Right now you are watching the video of hotel. In this video, we will explain all the details about this hotel, like location, reviews, language of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You will find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 9.2, which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Room category. You can see on the screen reviews like rooms are excellent, like facilities and reviews, etc. Category 4. Category 5. Category 6. Check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Location of the hotel is first class and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. The reviews and offers are available online for this hotel along with various plans and payment policy. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For booking or more details, go to link in description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already visited this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new to this channel or have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video.